Welcome to Timeless Decor, where we bring you elegant and budget-friendly decor ideas to transform your space into a warm and inviting haven. Today, we're diving into how to create a romantic home ambience without spending a fortune. Whether you're preparing for Valentine's Day, an anniversary, or just a special date night at home, this guide will help you set the perfect mood without breaking the bank. If you love romantic home decor, budget-friendly romantic ambience, date night home setup, Valentine's home decor ideas, and cozy and romantic home ideas, then make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our creative decor inspirations. Also, don't forget to comment below with your favorite romantic decor tip. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a cozy and romantic home atmosphere. The good news is, you don't need to invest in expensive chandeliers or designer lamps. Candlelight is an affordable and timeless option that instantly creates a soft, flickering glow that enhances romance. Pick up some unscented or lightly scented candles from your local dollar store and arrange them in clusters on your dining table, coffee table, or bathroom vanity for an intimate effect. Fairy lights are another budget-friendly alternative. Drape them over curtains, place them inside mason jars, or weave them through a table centerpiece to create a dreamy look. If you already have lamps, swap out bright white bulbs for warm-toned LED bulbs to bring a softer, golden glow to your space. Dimmer switches or smart plugs can also help create adjustable lighting without much investment. Layering different types of lighting will give your home a more inviting, magical feel. Texture is a powerful tool in creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Incorporating soft, plush, and cozy materials makes your space feel more intimate and relaxing. You don't need to buy brand new furniture, simply layer throw blankets, decorative pillows, and soft rugs to add warmth to your space. Opt for velvet, faux fur, or knit fabrics in romantic shades like blush pink, deep red, or neutral beige for a classic and inviting touch. You can also repurpose old scarves or fabric scraps as DIY table runners or chair covers for a romantic dining setup. If you have wooden chairs, drape them with soft throws to create a cozy, luxurious look. Don't forget your bedroom. A well-made bed with extra pillows, a textured throw, or a silky bedsheet adds an elegant, romantic flair. Textiles help evoke emotions, and by layering different textures, you create a hug-like ambience that makes any room feel special. Scent is one of the most powerful tools for setting the mood, and the best part. It doesn't have to be expensive. You can use essential oils, homemade potpourri, or even scented candles to bring romantic aromas into your home. If you don't have a diffuser, add a few drops of lavender, vanilla, or rose essential oil to a small bowl of warm water and place it in the room. DIY stovetop potpourri is another cost-effective way to fill your home with inviting scents. Simply simmer cinnamon sticks, orange peels, cloves, and a splash of vanilla extract in water for a sweet and spicy aroma. You can also make homemade linen sprays by mixing water, witch hazel, and a few drops of essential oil and spritzing them on pillows, curtains, and bed linens. If you prefer natural fragrance, fresh flowers like roses, lilacs, or jasmine add beauty and aroma to your space without the need for artificial air fresheners. Flowers bring instant romance to any space, but they don't have to come with a hefty price tag. Instead of buying expensive bouquets, visit your local grocery store, farmer's market, or even pick wildflowers to create stunning yet affordable floral arrangements. A mix of baby's breath, carnations, and eucalyptus creates an elegant, long-lasting bouquet. Repurpose old glass bottles, mason jars, or teacups as charming vases. If fresh flowers aren't an option, consider dried flowers or faux floral arrangements that can be reused for different occasions. Greenery garlands are also a beautiful and cost-effective way to decorate mantels, dining tables, or entryways, adding an organic, romantic feel to your home. A romantic meal at home can feel just as special as dining at a fancy restaurant with the right setup. Start by layering a tablecloth or a simple fabric runner for a soft, elegant base. Use candlelight, fairy lights, or even lanterns as your main source of lighting. Opt for neutral or pastel-colored dinnerware for a sophisticated touch, and if you don't have matching sets, mix and match for a charming vintage look. Fold napkins in creative ways or add a small handwritten love note on each plate for a personal touch. Play soft instrumental music in the background to enhance the romantic mood. Don't forget the finishing touches: a small floral centerpiece, a bowl of chocolates, or a tray with wine glasses adds to the overall cozy and intimate atmosphere. Music is an essential part of any romantic setup. Create a romantic playlist with soft jazz, acoustic love songs, or instrumental piano melodies to set the tone. If you prefer a calming and immersive experience, try playing nature sounds like rain, ocean waves, or a crackling fireplace in the background. These sounds help enhance relaxation and intimacy without requiring expensive sound systems. Streaming services and free apps offer mood-based playlists, or you can create a personalized mix of your favorite romantic tunes. Keep the volume low enough to encourage intimate conversations while still creating a soothing atmosphere. Adding personalized decor makes the space feel more special. Print and frame a favorite photo of you and your partner, display handwritten love letters, or create a DIY memory jar filled with romantic notes. String up Polaroid photos with fairy lights to add charm to any corner of your home. Handmade decorations like paper hearts, ribbon garlands, or even simple crafts make the space feel intimate and unique. If you want to go the extra mile, consider writing a short love note and placing it somewhere unexpected, like under a plate or inside a pillowcase, as a sweet surprise. Creating a romantic home ambience doesn't have to be expensive, it's all about using creativity, repurposing what you already have, and focusing on lighting, textures, scents, and personal touches. With these budget-friendly romantic ambience ideas, you can set the perfect mood for Valentine's Day, a date night, or any special occasion. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring home decor ideas. Leave us a comment below and let us know which romantic decor tip you'll try first. See you in the next video.